If you've never used the eBay app on your phone before, don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the app and create your account. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone. Now, tap on the search bar, type eBay, and then tap the search icon. From the search results, select the official eBay app. Next, tap on the Install or Get button to download the app. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. On the welcome screen, you'll see options for sign in and create an account. To create a new account, tap on Create an Account, then enter your name, email address, and create a password. You can also sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account for a faster process. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account setup. If you're signing up with email, you'll receive a verification code in your inbox. Enter the code in the provided field to verify your account. Once your account is created, you can start browsing products, adding items to your cart, and placing orders. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the eBay app and created your account. Thanks for watching.